Here we do another video on believe it or not, I get situated here for commence the gabbing. All right. I got a couple of other different things to talk about, and my believe it or not is, do you know the longest motorcycles ever made? Well, I'm here to tell you. Whether you believe it or not, I'm gonna tell you. Woo! Ow! Okay, the longest motorcycle ever recorded. This is Guinness Book of World Record, I think has one of this. Is 86 feet 3 inches. Yes sirree, 86 feet. That's a long motorcycle. That's a lot of fabrication and metal work. I just saw a picture of it. They look like they just extended the back wheel out to get their inches. I think they were doing it just to break the world record. Matter of fact, the last guy did it broke his own record. He's got from India. So he's done other things too to break records. I think one of them was a pitchfork or a shovel. That's what it was, a shovel. But okay, you know the first woman that ever rode a Harley Davidson? Well, I'm here to tell you. Her name was Janet Davidson. She is the aunt of the Davidson brothers. Yes, she is. Janet Davidson, the first rider of a Harley Davidson. I don't know how far she rode it, but she was the first woman on one. Okay, I'm going to talk about Norma Grace. Most of you all out there that tune into my channel know who she is. She's a nice lady from, every time she says, I hope I say this right, Western New York. Norma Grace and Jim, her husband. I was talking to her at Back of the Dragon a couple weeks ago and found out we had a lot in common, or a lot the same thing, however you want to say it. We was at the visitor center, and me and her were married, of course not each other, same age. Oh yeah, another thing, me and her are the same age, both 72. We got married in 1980, both of us did. We've both been married 44 years. Well, it equals out, you know, the time you got married and at your age. We both retired at the same age, 67. Yes sir, 67. I guess neither one of us will kill ourselves at 67, that's why we stayed longer. Can I get out here? Okay, clear. Okay. Just one more thing, and I can't. Woo! Oh yeah, I know what it is. Her husband and my wife are exactly 6 years, not exactly, but they're 6 years younger than we are. So we both robbed the cradle. Nice couple, very nice couple. Go check out their channel, Norma Grace, and I'll put it down below. She does a lot of cute little things on different things. A lot of chickens. They got chickens, and I mean, she likes her chickens like I like my dogs. You know, it's kind of like their pets, even though they get eggs from them. But they got a nice little chicken pen and whatnot. Keep it up, good. They got a nice, looks like an older farmhouse, maybe built back in the 40s, maybe. Got a nice big garage. I like the garage. Oh, them bumps don't go over too smooth, this older bike. I could take them bumps years ago. Years ago when I got this bike, I didn't have no shocks on it. It would beat me to death now. Okay, I want to ask y'all's opinion. See what you say. Give me your honest opinion. What do you think of Kamala? What do you think about that woman? I want to know your opinion. Good, bad, or ugly. Tell me why you like her or why you don't like her. Why she'd be good, why she wouldn't be good. But I'd like to know your response or your opinion. Feels good. I want to give a shout out. Get out of your side of the road, buddy. Good gracious, he's in my lane. I looked over the side, next thing I know, he was in my lane. That spooked me a little bit. I was trying to think of something else to say, and my mind drifted away from that car, and whoo, next thing I know, anyhow, he probably wasn't that close, but it kind of, he was on the other side of the line. I'm gonna give a big shout out to Mr. G 1965. He put on another great time in Tazewell, Back of the Dragon, a couple weeks ago. Him and his wife, Gina, do a great job. Check out Mr. G 1965. The same thing with Norma Grace. Check these folks out. Watch your videos. Build up their hours. Give them a subscribe. That kind of stuff. Check out for the mailman. Holly Point. Link. Yeah, that's what I should have turned at. Nice new house back here. Shout outs, 2 shout outs today. Check them out. I'm gonna turn around here, guys. I think it's easier to turn around right here than down in that gully down in there.